สวัสดีครับทุกคนยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ I Get Thais with Jack. This is a brand new episode of A Word for You today. I have selected a total of 100 words that I would like to share with you, one for each video. Yeah, it will be a vocabulary bank for you. Some words have multiple meanings, so it may be a challenge for you to remember and use them in different situations, but I'll try to explain words clearly and make them easy to understand. And the word for you today is the word แม่ Yes, แม่ is the most common meaning of the word mother, referring to the biological or adoptive mother of a child. Just like when you call your mom and I call my mom แม่ We spell this word มอ แอ แม่ ไม่เอกแม่ แม่ is a falling tone. Say it with me แม่ And another usage of the word แม่ is as a pronoun. In the past, adults or those who were older would use the word แม่ to address a younger woman who was a member in a family, relative, or a close friend. However, this usage has evolved, and we now hear it in the Thai period series. For example, if we were, to go back 100 years ago and encounter a character named Karaket, we might greet her with สวัสดีแม่การะเกด สบายดีไหม Hi, Karaket, how are you? Due to the evolution of language, the context has shifted. Today, the word แม่ is used as a pronoun to refer to someone who is a role model, or it can be used as a pronoun in LGBTQ contexts. For example, you might call Adele a singer as แม่ because you are impressed by her voice and her performance on stage. My female friends and gay friends often use แม่ when addressing each other. For example, they can ask, what's going on? They can use these phrases to say ว่าไงเธอ ว่าไงมึง or ว่าไงแม่ Yeah, you can see they say ว่าไงแม่ This playful usage is common among friends who are close, but it's essential to maintain that level of intimacy. Otherwise, they might jokingly retort, I'm not your mom, huh? Interestingly, my straight male friends typically don't use แม่ to address each other. I just would like to let you know that the word แม่ can also be used in this way too. Another usage of the word แม่ is as a prefix to refer to the female gender in a certain careers. For example, แม่บ้าน where แม่ means mother and บ้าน means house. So it translates to mother of the house or a housewife. แม่บ้าน in the past, there was customary for husbands to work outside, while wives stay home to care for their children, manage the household, and cook for their husbands and kids. Therefore, we can call แม่บ้าน signifies her role as a housewife. Additionally, the term แม่บ้าน can also be used to refer to a housekeeper. If you have someone taking care of your house, you can respectfully address her as แม่บ้าน indicating her responsibility for the care of your house. And this term is also used when staying in a hotel and requesting housekeeping services to clean your room. So you can call แม่บ้าน For a female vendor, you can use the term แม่ขา Here, แม่ mother, and ขา means to trade or to do business. So, แม่ขา translates to a female vendor or merchant. For example, if you want to compliment a kind female vendor, you can say แม่ขาคนนี้ใจดีมาก where คนนี้ refers to this person คนนี้ and ใจดีมาก means very kind. So, แม่ค้าคนนี้ใจดีมาก This female vendor is very kind. แม่ค้าคนนี้ใจดีมาก Similarly, a female cook, you can use the term แม่ครัว Here, ครัว means kitchen. Okay? ครัว and แม่ครัว is a female cook or chef แม่ครัวคนนี้ทำอาหารอร่อยมาก Yeah, you say แม่ครัวคนนี้ you want to refer to a specific female cook where คนนี้ means this person so แม่ครัวคนนี้ this female cook ทำอาหาร to cook อร่อยมาก tasty อร่อยมากอร่อยมากแม่ครัวคนนี้ทำอาหารอร่อยมาก This female cook makes delicious food แม่ครัวคนนี้ทำอาหารอร่อยมาก and you know the term แม่ can also be used to refer to goddesses in Thai culture for example พระแม่คงคา is a Thai name for the Ganges River which is considered a sacred river in Hinduism and Buddhism It holds significance as the source of life and fertility. And in Thai culture, พระแม่คงคา is revered as the goddess who protects water. พระแม่คงคา Moreover, Thais also believe that vehicles have a protective goddess to ensure safe journeys. So this goddess is referred to as แม่ย่านางYou often see cars in Thailand adorned with garlands hanging from the miller, symbolizing the presence and respect of แม่ย่านาง You know, even rice that we eat every day also has a goddess guardian called แม่โพธิ์ศพ meaning holy mother rice. In Thai tradition, แม่โพธิ์ศพ is considered the protector of rice crops, ensuring their growth and abundance.Thais believe that rice is life, and the goddess safeguards the crops to ensure a sufficient rice supply throughout the year. In these cases, the word แม่ is added to signify the presence of the goddess. แม่ is also used as a prefix for rivers, emphasizing its importance. Specifically, in the term แม่น้ำ here น้ำ means water, soแม่น้ำ is used to denote the largest and most significant river. For example, the main river in Bangkok is called แม่น้ำเจ้าพระยา while in Chiang Mai, the principal river is แม่น้ำปิง Yeah, แม่น้ำเจ้าพระยา in Bangkok and แม่น้ำปิง in Chiang Mai. And the last context, แม่ signifies a group or section.According to Thai final consonants, there are 8 groups. The term แม่ is used to introduce the name of the group. For example, แม่กก introduces the gok group, so we call แม่กก And similarly, there are แม่กง แม่กด แม่กล แม่กบ แม่กลม แม่เกย and แม่เกิลSo the word แม่ can refer to a group or section as well. Okay everybody, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next episode of A Word for You Today. Goodbye for now. สวัสดีครับ